One of the things that I advise SEOs to do is not start with Google. I know that's a real hard thing for SEOs not to do. It's like, but it's all about Google. And so it's like, no, 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 no. Start with your target audience.
Yes.
Who are you trying to reach? Because guess what? They're the ones who will type in the cryptic little words if they're still typing into the search box, or if they're using their smartphone, they're the ones who are now speaking and using audio to search for what they're looking for. Oh, by the way, they're also starting to look for things in places you might not have expected, because guess what? We can now watch YouTube on our connected TV. And guess what? When we got to YouTube last night, we started conducting a search on our connected TV for the video we were looking to watch. It's like, wait. People can do a search on their television for a YouTube video? Is that search? It's like, yeah. So start with your audience
Mm-hmm.
first.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a hard thing. That's a new thing that most SEOs don't have, grounding in. But I would strongly say start there.